Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Jeep Compass. Before you begin, always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid serious burns. Safety is paramount, so please wear appropriate safety glasses and protective gloves throughout the process. Gather all your essential tools, including a drain pan, funnel, and the specific type of new coolant recommended for your vehicle, to ensure a smooth and efficient procedure from start to finish. Now, let's move on to draining the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom of the radiator. Place a large, suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the drain plug and then the radiator cap to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. This step ensures you remove as much of the old, degraded fluid as possible. After draining, it's time to flush the system thoroughly. Close the drain plug tightly. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then start your engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, with your heater set to its highest setting. This helps circulate the water. Once warm, drain the distilled water. Repeat this flushing process with fresh distilled water until the drained fluid runs completely clear, indicating a clean system. Finally, let's refill your system with fresh coolant. Ensure the drain plug is closed and all hose connections are secure. Slowly fill the radiator with the correct type and amount of new coolant, typically a 50-50 mixture. Run the engine with the radiator cap off to bleed any trapped air. After a short test drive, allow the engine to cool, then recheck the coolant level in both the radiator and the reservoir, topping off as necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.